going to cook some chicken today.
Yeah, we're gonna cook some chicken, make a little fire, and Joey's gonna cooking some chicken, guys. So get the fire going. Woo! Got the fire going a little bit.
Yeah, better off than that one.
All right, start putting it over the fire a little bit. Cooking.
Put it right on the fire.
Getting some chicken cooking.
That's gonna taste like leaves when you eat it.
Put it closer to the fire, there, go.
I'm gonna go eat this. Yeah, I'm gonna feed your dogs.
No. You holding it right there. That's perfect. We got the fire going. Travel the fittest. There go me and Joey. We shot the bird.
Flip it over now.
There go peeled it off. All right, flip it over. Me and Joey shot a bird. There go.
Yeah, we did.
Tore the meat off of it like a survival guide. There go. So we're just making a little YouTube video.
Got some water from the creek.
There go. This fire's going out. Yeah, there you go, Joey.
You just like roasting them? Let me see.
Whoa, what the crap?
Okay, Bobby, you're gonna have to pull that down now. Start stomping it out.
There go. Stomp it out. Now, Joey, come over here and show us what the chicken did. Show us how good we cooked chicken. There you go. Got it pretty good. Time to take a bite out of this thing.
Wait. Okay, it's on what we shot it with.
It's good.
Look what we shot it with.
There you go. Be again. But that's going to be it for the video. Me and Joey. Oh, I got my hair cut too, guys. So, everybody watch my YouTube video. I got it like all shaved off. But that's me and Joey's bird cooking.
Yep.
And good eating. Survival guide.
Also was in the video.
Yeah, she got some water from the creek too.
Like and subscribe, and see you guys next video. Say peace.
Peace.